Ethereum just shattered the $4,000 ceiling for the first time in 2025, while Coinbase unleashed DeFi trading to over 100 million users through their base network. This isn't just another price pump. It's the moment crypto infrastructure finally meets institutional validation. Let's dive in. What's up, crypto community? Alex here from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse update for August 9th, 2025. If you're new here, we deliver actionable crypto intelligence twice daily to keep you ahead of the crowd. Today, we're covering the infrastructure revolution sweeping crypto as Ethereum breaks $4,000 while institutional capital floods the market and Coinbase democratizes DeFi access. Let's get into it. Let's start with the headline. Ethereum has finally broken through the $4,000 psychological barrier for the first time this year. This isn't just a random move. ETH's 3.70% surge to $4,033 comes as institutional ETF inflows hit $73 million, while Bitcoin ETFs actually saw $196 million in outflows. We're looking at a significant rotation into Ethereum infrastructure. But here's what's really interesting. Companies like Fundamental Global are implementing $5 billion ETH acquisition strategies, while Bitmine has positioned 833,000 ETH, worth roughly $3 billion, in their treasury. This signals corporate adoption is accelerating beyond speculation. Looking at the broader market, Bitcoin is consolidating at 160 now and 426, down slightly at 0.30%, XRP at 3.30, down 0.50%, Solana up 2.06% at 177.91, and BNB gaining 1.56% to 796. The real story isn't just price action, though. It's about which sectors are outperforming. DeSci leads the charge with a massive 27.89% surge as Bioprotocol's ecosystem proves utility beyond speculation. This is followed by DeFi up 19.22% and DEX tokens gaining 9.19%. But here's the game changer that's reshaping crypto accessibility overnight. Coinbase has just integrated DEX trading directly into their main app for US users through the Base network. This means over 100 million Coinbase users can now instantly access any token on the Base ecosystem without waiting for official listings. This completely eliminates the traditional listing bottleneck that's been holding back mainstream adoption. The immediate winner? Aerodrome Finance, which exploded 17.89% to become the primary liquidity hub for this Coinbase integration. What we're witnessing is crypto's evolution from speculation to infrastructure. When established companies are allocating billions to Ethereum, while DeSci protocols fund actual scientific research, and Coinbase brings DeFi to millions of mainstream users, we're no longer in the when-moon era. The market is clearly rewarding platforms that solve real accessibility problems and demonstrate utility. Just look at these stats. DeFi sector, plus 119.22%, DEX tokens, plus 19%, liquid staking, plus 118.63%, AI protocols, up 16.45%. All infrastructure-focused sectors are outperforming, while sentiment indicators show sustained optimism with the market sentiment index at 66.93 in greed territory. On the derivatives front, we're seeing strong bullish bias with Bitcoin funding rates at plus 0.97% and Ethereum at plus 0.79%. Aggregate open interest stands at a substantial $104.8 billion, while options are skewing bullish as institutional momentum builds. Social activity is dominated by discussion of ETH 4K, institutional flows, and what many are calling a new DeFi summer, driven by infrastructure rather than speculation. So what should you be watching? First, monitor ETH's ability to hold above the crucial 4K psychological level as institutional flows continue. Second, track the DeSci sector's performance as Bioprotocol proves utility beyond speculation. Third, watch how the Coinbase DEX integration impacts user adoption across the Base ecosystem. Sometimes generational shifts happen when breakthrough technology meets institutional validation, and both narratives are converging today. The infrastructure revolution isn't coming. It's already here. That's your Crypto Pulse update for August 9th. If this analysis helped you navigate these markets, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay ahead of the crowd. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in the next update.